What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how I make smoked turkey wings out on my smoker. These are amazing. So I love to season these in my homemade barbecue seasoning and rub. You can use whatever you like. Grab your turkey wings. I have about 4 pounds of turkey wings here. These are also split turkey wings, so they're split in drums versus the flats, and I love to smoke them and cook them this way because they're gonna cook more evenly and consistently than whole turkey wings. So first I rub these down in some olive oil. That's gonna help this dry rub adhere to those wings. You can use your favorite homemade rub or your favorite store-bought rub, whatever you like. Just make sure that those turkey wings are fully coated in the spices. You're gonna wanna coat both sides of all of these wings and then rub those spices into the wings. Once you have those well seasoned, go ahead and put those out on the smoker at 225 degrees. I love turkey wings because they're always juicy and loaded with flavor, and you can't go wrong because they're so much larger than like regular chicken wings. So I let these smoke for about 2 hours until they reached an internal temperature of around 165 degrees. That's the minimum temperature that you want to see on those. And then I turned up the heat on the smoker to 350 degrees. From there, I smoked them for another 15 to 20 minutes because I like crispy skin on my turkey wings. And there you have it. These are so easy to make.